And just look at all these different ones that they have. They have accounting, purchase, point of sale, project, e-commerce, manufacturing, email marketing, timesheets, expenses, studio, time off. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the TechTinkTronics channel, where today we're going to be discussing Odoo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It's ERP and CRM software. This is enterprise resource planning and customer relationship management software. It is open source and it's awesome. So let's start by explaining some of the terms. Enterprise resource planning is defined as the ability to deliver an integrated suite of business applications. ERP tools share a common process and data model covering a broad and deep operational end-to-end process, such as those found in finance, HR, distribution, manufacturing, service, and supply chain. Going forward, customer relationship management, CRM stands for that, and in its simplest definition, it allows businesses to manage relationships and the data and the information associated with them. So that's what we are looking at. So without further ado, I will go ahead and log into this awesome software and see what we have here. Now, what you see here is the stuff that, okay, this is all the stuff that I have installed pretty much locally, and I'm running it on Docker. Okay, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. One of the great apps that I have is an invoice here. We could create an invoice, and it's really easy to use. Gives you an invoice number. You could modify that number, make it really long and funky. You could bill it to me, CMB, network, invoice date, invoice. Ooh, so look at that. It just popped up a new, so I'm gonna enter a street address. It's like 56, or excuse me, 36, Uber Street, Philadelphia, PA, 19,000. Yes. Tax ID 1111 whatever. Phone number 222. That's 222. That's 222. All right, and we'll just let that ride. We'll save it, and we'll make the invoice due at the end of the month. Interesting. It changed my thing. To add a product, service. And you could charge the quantity of one at a price of, say, $1,900. You could give a tax. Let's see if we can edit that tax rate. Let's see how we do that. Well, it's only putting a 15% tax, but I'm sure we could get in and fix that. So that makes me a nice check right there. Let's see, I want to go to apps. And just look at all these different ones that they have. They have accounting, purchase, point of sale, project, e-commerce, manufacturing, email marketing, timesheets, expenses, studio, time off, recruitment, employees, maintenance, sign, documents, help desk, subscriptions, quality, e-learning, planning, events, discuss. That's a chat program. Contacts, product lifecycle management, calendar appraisal, fleet management, and there's just so much more. I could sit here all day and like a lot of it I don't have installed right now, but this is major enterprise management software. This is what it is. It's a suite of business management software tools that includes CRM, e-commerce, billing, accounting, manufacturing, warehouse, project management, inventory management, etc. They provide subscription-based proprietary enterprise software and a cloud hosted software as a service in addition to an open source version, which I am demonstrating here. So some of the benefits to this is that it's a single solution for all business processes. It's not this installing a little bit of software here, installing a little bit of software for this there. It offers flexibility to users. You can modify Odoo to fit your business or personal needs or whatever have you. And it's a budget friendly option to choose because it has relatively low costs of implementation as well as low recurring costs. And right now, for my setup, I'm not really using it, so I'm not really paying anything right now. But if you want what I have, you can easily attain that and just use an app or two. But there's more to it, and you can run your whole enterprise on that. There are multiple options for hosting. You could do it on premise or you could do it on the cloud. Security, there's a benefit to this open source that it leads to high security. Developers are able to find holes in the source code and fix them before they're taken advantage. And the user interface is pretty easy to use. It's still important, and it's an intuitive user interface. So I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, it's pretty good what they have here. So I have, you let's see. So I have like basically all kinds of, I can look at the apps that they have. This is on the remotely hosted stuff. I have some stuff that's yet to install. But you could get all the module information right now. And just to get you up and running, just go to Odoo. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to keep you any longer. Thanks for watching the video, and have a great day.